Steven Victor, a veteran of the music industry, is teaming up with Nike for a new Air Max Dn8 collaboration under his Victor platform, set to drop on September 15, 2025, for $200. Previously collaborating on an Air Force One with Nigo, the Brooklyn native now delivers a bolder, more animated design inspired by his childhood dreams of becoming everything from an astronaut to a race car driver. First revealed on Instagram with a campaign video soundtracked by Pop Smoke's Aim for the Moon, the sneakers showcase a striking green to navy gradient finish. Victor's signature dog emblem is expected to appear on the upper or footbed, underscoring his creative imprint's ongoing partnership with Nike. This project marks Victor's first Air Max endeavor, bringing together music, nostalgia, and fashion to celebrate both personal storytelling and global sneaker culture.